Hello everyone, welcome to BI Consulting Pro. In this video, I'm gonna tell you something about Microsoft Power BI certification updates. That means recently Microsoft has decided to make some changes in the Microsoft Power BI certification. Please do watch this video till the end and you will get to know everything about the Microsoft Power BI certification updates. Currently, Microsoft has Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate certification, that is DA-100. Unfortunately, Microsoft is going to end this exam by March 31st, 2022. That means DA-100 exam is going to expire on 31st of March 2022. And after 31st of March 2022, you won't be able to appear for this exam. This sounds bad, isn't it? But don't worry, I have good news for you. Going forward, Microsoft is going to introduce another exam, that is exam PL300. It is the replacement of DA-100 exam. But here you should note that Microsoft regularly review their portfolio to ensure that it's up to date with the latest technology. This new exam name reflects their current vision on the data analyst job role and the skills that are required for the role today. Plus, it indicates the direction that Microsoft will take as they prepare to include additional skills in the future. So this exam, that is PL300, which is going to be Power BI Data Analyst Associate certification, is going to be available on February 28, 2022. This exam is going to be focused on skills in preparing, modeling, visualizing, and analyzing data to maximize value for an organization. So now let's see what's going to happen. Well, if you are already DA-100 or DA-100 certified, then you will see the new name in your certification dashboard on February 28, 2022. However, if you are preparing right now for DA-100 or DA-100 exam, then you don't need to worry. You have until March 31st, 2022 to take this exam. That means if you are already in middle of your preparation for this exam, so you can still appear for this exam before 31st of March 2022. If you have just started preparing for exam DA-100, then I'll request you to stop the preparation over there and start learning about PL300. I'm going to provide you a link in the description section. You should note that between February 28 and March 31st, 2022, learners can pass either exam to earn their Power BI Data Analyst Associate certification. Now you have to decide where you are currently and what you would like to do. This is the path on your screen you can see, which I just discussed. Everything you will find over here. All the dates, all the details, and the certification names are over here. If you have any questions, please don't forget to put your comment in the comment section. Who should appear for this exam? Well, if you are a data analyst or business user who uses Power BI to help your organization maximize the value of its data assets, then you should appear for this exam. However, if you want to demonstrate your skills and experience in Power BI, then also you can consider to appear for this exam. And lastly, if you are looking to grow in your career as a data analyst with Microsoft technologies, you should consider appearing for this exam as well. Now, many of the time you guys have asked me how to renew your Microsoft certification. Well, you have a good news. You can directly go on this link that you can see on your screen and you can see all the steps that require to renew your certification exam. Basically, it would be another exam, but the number of questions would be around 20. I'm not sure, that can be 10 to 20 or somewhere in between them. But you will find all the information on the link that I'm going to provide you over here on your screen. Or also you can get the same link in the description section. The good news is that it's completely free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to Microsoft. Whenever your exam is going to expire, so before 6 months, you will get a notification on your email box and then you can schedule your exam to review your skills and also to appear this exam again. I hope now it's very clear for you that what are the changes are going to come for the Power BI certificate exams and also how you can renew your exam. Guys, if you have any concern or questions regarding Power BI, you can put your comments in the comment section. And if you are over here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest Power BI updates and videos.